Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to get Dolphin to work with i3. Dolphin is a file manager in KDE, and when we try to, as this is Plasma 6, when we try to open a file, let's say I'm trying to open this video file with Dolphin, it will not open properly, and it will show some error like no installed application can open something. But if you can see, we have MPV and similarly we have VLC as well, but it is not showing through this Dolphin file manager app, which is a Plasma app. So KDE 6 actually. How can we actually say this? How can we fix this? So basically, the issue would be if we run this cache of KDE 6, we can see that it is looking for an application menu under maybe here, but if we check whether it is present or not, if we go here, we'll see that this particular file is missing, and instead of that there is one more application which is plasma-applications.menu, and because of that our KDE file manager, which default file manager, which is Dolphin, is not able to identify whether we have any application installed in our system or not, because this is not KDE Plasma desktop, it is i3. So for that, what can we do here? Let me just check if yeah, it's recording. Yeah, so what can we do here is we can create a symlink for this is same as applications.menu. So but we don't have that file right here, so what we can do is we can create a symbolic link of this with this file. So we'll this will create a file. Now if we check here, we'll have one application which is this one file which is this, and this will be directly pointing to this. It's kind of like a pointer reference. So after that, if we rebuild this cache, I think we will see that it has rebuilt and it is working fine now. So after that, it should work if we kill Dolphin. And Dolphin, one second, and okay, this did not execute, but we'll write it again. So now I think this should not close this. Yeah, okay, it did close it. We'll open Dolphin normally from our Rofi, which is an application manager. So now if we open this, it should it's yeah, see, we are able to see VLC or whatever, and um, it should see MPV as well. So if you click on this, it will directly open with the actual file. I mean, whatever the application which is installed in our system. So that is only the fix for Plasma 6. Before Plasma 6, which was Plasma 5, we did not have any issues like that. For Dolphin, I extensively use Dolphin because it's really good. As backend, I have KDE installed as a main desktop environment. After that, I installed i3, and I'm currently login to i3. I currently log into i3 using SDDM, which is the default display, not display, default login screen for the KDE. But we can choose it in the what do you call, launch menu. There will be an option for Plasma i3, Plasma KDE, and KDE Variant or KDE X11 Plasma. So from that I can directly log into i3, and this is far convenient actually, so I use that. And this is my i3 setup. That's it, no other things. I just wanted to give this small fix for you guys so that you can also use what do you call, Dolphin with you. Previously, in my bind, I'm using, I have configured Nautilus, because Dolphin was not working properly, because Dolphin was not opening any file. So if I want to open some music file also, it will not it used to not open, but now we can see that it will open with all the files, like all the application that is already installed in on the system. So that is only the fix. uh, just copy paste this, and this is just to check whether it is installed or not. If we check it, we can see also. If we open it, if we do that here, we can see that this particular file, applications menu, which was not present previously, is just a pointer reference file to this main file which we had previously. So if you install KDE Plasma, this will automatically it will automatically be there. But when you log into KDE actual desktop environment, you will have I think this applications menu or something. But as we are in i3, we don't have the Plasma running on the back end, right, like xwin or something, kwin, whatever. So we don't have some configurations that are already present, that will be present when you log into KDE. For i3 to dolphin for dolphin to work with i3, we have to do just this command, which is this one. So with this, we'll just um, make a dummy file, which is this, and which will refer to this file. That's it. And hope this works for you. If not, kindly comment in the below comment section. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.